Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some vegan meatball subs. Perfect for parties or barbecues. They're super easy to make and only a handful of ingredients are required. Served up on some white crusty rolls, they're just perfect. First up, to make our egg, we're going to add some flaxseed meal into a bowl. And to that we're going to add some water. Give that a good mix together until thickened. Next, into a food processor, we're going to add in our chickpeas that have been washed and drained and give them a good blitz until they form a paste. Add the chickpeas into a bowl. To that, we're then going to add in the flax egg. And give that a good mix together to combine. Next, we're going to add in the breadcrumbs, the nutritional yeast, the onion powder, the garlic powder, the vegetable stock, the dried basil, then pepper and salt to taste. Then simply give that all a good mix together until well combined. Then all we need to do is take small portions of the mixture and roll them into balls, placing them on the tray that's been lined with some aluminium foil and it's been greased. And simply repeat until they're all done. This makes about 10. Pop them in the oven for 30 minutes, making sure to turn halfway through, and then upping the temperature for a final 5 minutes until golden brown. Heat up some of your favourite marinara sauce. Then it's time to assemble everything together. Add the meatballs to a warmed bun. Top it off with some heated up marinara sauce. Then top it off with some nutritional yeast. And then it's time to tuck in. Yummo! These are so good and so tasty. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!